to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news.
Hi everyone, this is Gary Kay. We're at InfoComm 2026 Day 2. We're here in the Planar booth and I'm with Robert Detwiler. Robert, very impressive.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
What you've done is you're showing products, you're showing applications, and you're showing creative.
We are. If you see behind me, we have this very large structure.
Yep.
We have floors. We have transparent off to the side. We have curved LEDs. So yeah, a lot of creative things, and we kind of want to just show that we can do special projects.
Yeah. I really like this like ribbon look, and also the floor LED down there is not something we have seen very much from most of the companies, especially Planar.
Well, we've had floors for many, many years. It's typically been in broadcast where we put floors, but this one's a concept we're working on for making it very, very thin. Not quite out in production yet. But we wanted to show off a lot of creative elements so that people can see that we can do custom projects.
So we're going to go around and do a booth tour, and of course we're shooting deep dive videos on each one of these products. So you can see those at ravepubs.com/InfoComm. Just type in Planar in the video search window. But we're going to kind of give them a feel what it's like to be here at the show floor live. Obviously this is one of the busier booths on the show floor, and it is halfway through the second day. So you're gonna see people walking in front of us, but we can handle
squeeze
that.
through.
So what are we seeing first over here?
As you're walking through, what you're seeing is our new Mantis product.
Yeah.
So Mantis is a focused product for rental and staging. We've had rental and staging or products for events many times in the past, but we actually spent a lot of time researching with professional rental houses. To find out what they really care about.
I'm gonna have our videographer walk around the back of it, come back all the way around as we're talking. Go ahead.
So to find out what they really care about, understand their workflows, and so we purpose built this to really fit into their workflows.
Yeah.
And part of what we did was some of the things that you see on the back with all the touch points that are a single color, simple actuation of releasing cables, very quick release of modules or electronics, so that the rental houses can do things efficiently. But we also did high end on the LED as well, so that it will fit in with virtual production and broadcast.
Okay. And what are the pixel pitches that this is available in?
This is going to be available in 1.5, 1.9, and 2.6.
1.5, 1.9, and 2.6.
In our outdoor product that we've released so far, indoor product that we've released so far, but we're working on extensions to that as well.
Okay. Excellent. All right, and where are we going next?
We're going to walk over here to one of our newer products, actually new this week. We just released.
The Cobra?
The Cobra.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a lot of people here. I don't know how deep we want to get in, but Cobra is actually a release of three things. It's the product, but it's also two technologies. If you notice, the Cobra has this EverPixel with true micro statement. This is a brand new LED technology from Planar, proprietary. So we shrunk the LED dyes, the little chips, the subpixels, the red, green, blue element, down to 40 by 20 microns or micrometers.
Wow.
You know, almost
thickness of a human hair.
Human hair, yeah.
So is that, I assume that smaller diodes mean more black in the background, which increases high contrast ratio? Is that the theory?
Increase contrast ratio, absolutely, but we can get better productions because things are smaller, so more run rates. But one of the also benefits is we pushed a lot of things closer and closer together. So by taking those diodes, we pushed them really, really close together, and we're getting really good color saturation and off-axis viewing angles. Because we also pushed those really, really close together, we realized that we had a lot more room. So in a typical 0.6 package, because this is an MIP package, we had a lot more room, and with that we added EverPixel. EverPixel is us adding 2 reds, 2 greens, and 2 blues.
Oh, interesting.
So we're putting redundancy into the pixels.
So that's giving you a higher colorimetry as well.
But
full redundancy of the display.
Of the pixel.
Yeah, so you have theoretically no dead pixels that are noticeable.
Exactly.
Very interesting. But yet this is an install product.
It is. It's a fixed install.
Yeah, but I mean, I imagine that's going to be something you're going to want on your rental product as well. One day.
Over time, I'm sure we'll put it in almost everything.
Very smart. Yeah. I like that. And the pixel pitch of that is what? So
we're going to offer 06, 07, 09, and 12.
Okay.
In this product today.
All right. Excellent. Yeah. All right. This, by the way, is a giant COB 8K wall that you have here.
It absolutely is.
Man, I'm getting dizzy standing here. You realize that, right?
We can step off the floor, absolutely.
But so that's 8K. What is that?
324 inches diagonal. Yeah.
That's a crazy COB right there. You always do this, but the floor is making me dizzy. Now I'm not a late night bar guy, so I probably am not used to it.
You got to look straight, just like driving.
This is actually a good demo of what they're doing with EverPixel COB versus SMD. So the EverPixel is the one that has 2 pixels in the same space.
It is.
Has 2 reds, 2 greens, 2 blues in the same space.
Yep.
Which is going to give you better colorimetry, but redundancy of the image.
Redundancy of the pixel. Because there's LEDs are little light bulbs if you really think about it. So they do burn out at times, but the mathematical probability of the 2 in the same spot burning out
at the same time is pretty small. Yeah. All right, where are we heading next?
We're going to head around the outside so we can avoid some of this grouping.
Yeah, and I think this is a good opportunity, since we're going around the outside, if you don't mind, Robert, is to kind of show them some of the creative stuff that you're doing here.
Right.
Like these transparents here, the mosaic LED that you have there. These are just demonstrating. These are like proof of concept, demonstrating how you can do some creative stuff with LED.
Exactly, yes.
And same with the curved up there, the transparent back there as well at the top, the curved one up there.
That one up there is actually a double-sided display, so as we walk past it, look back and you'll see. So the idea there is you can put it in transportation or things like that, where you have people walking in 2 directions.
It's a very thin cabinet for a double-sided LED. And is it pre-configured?
No, it's a 500 by 500 cabinet, but we have a soft rounded edge version of that cabinet as well.
Very interesting. Okay. All right. They're 21 by 9s.
21 by 9.
And are the frame colors optional, or how does this work?
The frame color is optional, and we thought you would appreciate the color.
I do love it. Yes. It's rAVe purple.
So yeah.
Did you do this for me, or is it? Do you change it for each member of the press that comes in here?
That's right. We have people running around. That's why we had to delay.
You got e-paper on the outside.
We had to delay you in the middle while someone was chasing.
Very cool. All right, so what are we looking at here?
So you're looking at 21 by 9 aspect ratio display, LCD displays.
Yeah.
We've had a 105 in the past, but we relaunched it, updated it, improved all the specs, really high-end specs, so we can get some of the best performance in our displays. So it could be home in a home theater.
Yeah.
But we also introduced 2 more sizes, a 94 and an 81. But you can see that we have quantum dot mini LEDs, and we have 2,500 plus local dimming zones, so really high-end performance in our
This would be awesome in my home theater.
We have thought about that.
All right, let's. Where are we heading next?
I think that we have hit what we wanted to show you in terms of the new stuff, but so we have the new rental, we have the new LED technology, and new 21 by 9.
All right, so we're going to shoot individual videos on each one of these products, so you can go back and get a deep dive on each one of these. And of course, you can always see all of it at planar.com. But if you want to see the individual videos that we shot, go to raypost.com/InfoComm, type in Planar in the video search window. I want to show you one little feature here that is marketing genius. Come on around here. Look at the branding here on the side. Most people would put that in the center, right? Even if they put it on the side, they'd put it in the center. That is cool because it's going to be at eye level.
And it's on both sides.
It's on both sides. I noticed.
Yeah.
So very well done.
Thank you.
Great thinking.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
I wouldn't say it's mine, but thank you.
Well, thanks to whoever. But I say kudos to whoever.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. Always check all of this out at planar.com.